Kalaflai atu, hanea ta tōlua tau wala tal tutupu ke lata ia mai pōlia pōnei. Greetings and kalaflai atu, these are our news bulletin for tonight. Hahai ai, taha whakakoanga, le veki mai pui pui e tau mamui, he tau tangata ne o atu po ke takawhanga ki he tofia. Kua whamatapatu he makautaha New Zealand Pacific Maritime Safety, whakalataha me whainga hua whanua toa kau moe fusika. Ke whalu he tau whakakoanga, ke mai ke tau tangata ke pui pui me lewe kianga he tau mamui, kau atua ki he tofia. Ka mata tau whakaloanga nei he mahina me, mo e tau whakakoanga ke lata mo e tau tangata o he waka, mo e matapatu ke asihake e whakaongaanga he tau koloa pui pui, mo e le veki ke he tau mamui tunga e tau life jackets. Mana koe kautaha Pacific Maritime Safety, ke kisia e mauianga he tau koloa, nei he tau motu mawhana tunga aniwe. Mo e whakakise fōki e tau puhala ke leveki e tau koloa nei, ke mumui tua ki ai e tau tangata whakaonga. Hahai ai e tau koloa ne whakafua he kautaha ke he aho nei ki a lau tōru e tau tutaki, poko lau tōru ne whakamauhi fōha lau tōla tau hingoa mai tau whakakoanga ia. Koe ngā hua fusika mai longa koe ngā hua hanghang ke lea, si pese mōli he nākai whai mas ke lea, kai pehe mai e tau tangata osi ne o ke he tofia, kua sei ke pākia. Kua tupe tau takitaki a matakau he niwe fresh ha kua whai tangata, ne kua whakakona e vai kua hawhangaia ki ke he tau akau. Kua laonga mai ke he tau akau ne kua whakafua, kua ke tau sea ke he niwe fresh, kua tau ka pisi, ke he tau le tisi, tau kale, tau polo whanga ke he mai longa tu foki. Pe he takitaki pisinisi he New Refresh ko Mark Blumsky, kua kisia kua mamase whakahanga e Rockmelon, ko kama mwe whalu e tau tomato, ha ko whaitangata ne kua lingi e tau vai kona ki loto he vai he tau ku kama Rockmelon mwe tomato. Kisia lau tōru e le kua mwe kua whamawhisi e matakau, ngā hua New Refresh ke whakatafe mwe liu whakapuke e tau tula vai ke whakamea ki he vai kona, ke he whangofuru walu e tau tula. Ke hao tapu kua nākai hanghang mitaki whalu he tau kāpisi, kua o atu e matakau ngā hua me whakakia, kua whaitangata ne kua utake he palaki ne kua whangai e vai ke he tau kāpisi. Pehe mai a Blumsky, kua nākai whiawhia ha koe matanga hua nei, ne kua tau se he taha tangata, kā koe tahani he tau puhala ke aua e tau le kua nei, ke tutupu kua amana ke pisnisi, ke whakatū me whakatau e tau pokiata ke lata ia me whāma. The water supply that provides nutrients for the fruits and vegetables at the New Refresh was tampered with over the weekend. The business plants over 2,000 of different vegetables and fruits a week, and a quarter of their plants were affected. There were 2 separate incidents at the New Refresh farm that caused some of the vegetables to spoil.
On Friday morning, and all of this whole section of the farm had looked like it had been hit by a cyclone. It literally had all collapsed. The plants, which were very, very healthy when we left the night before, were absolutely looked like they'd all aged 100 years and had just drooped and were starting to die. So we knew something obviously had gone horribly wrong, so we walked to the pump house, which is the area that runs the keeps the circulation, and you could smell straight away weed killer. It's a very distinctive smell. We don't use weed killer anywhere near the pump house for the reasons of it's a weed killer, it's not healthy, but you could smell it really loud and clear, so we knew someone had put something into the system. Because the plants just don't suddenly all start dying really quickly. Come Sunday, when we'd left here in the morning after picking the product for the Matavai and that, we came back later that night and the cabbages were just about dead. So there's a cabbage area which also has its own circulation, and someone actually pulled the plug out, which you wouldn't even know where the plug was. But the plug had been physically pulled out and had stopped the circulation on a really hot Sunday for all our cabbages. They looked like they'd aged 100 years. Luckily again, Fesso, who's my operation manager, had come along that night and had seen the cabbages looking incredibly distressed, started the pump house up again, and we've probably lost our baby cabbages, not the older cabbages. It seems that the older the plant, the stronger the plant can handle the distress. The young ones just don't stand a chance. And the lighter leaf, like the cucumbers, they haven't stood a chance either. And we've probably lost a few $1,000s worth of product, but we've lost a generation of cucumbers and a generation of rock melons. So there'll be a gap in the market unless we can prolong the growth on some of the older plants which we have down the back. We usually try and pull them out after a cycle of growth, but we might leave them and see if we can just regenerate some of that growth. So it's a few $1,000s worth for sure, but it's just the heartache to the staff when they see that all the work they do and the plants have just been devastated by someone who's been very careless and who someone's got it in. That's the sad part.
To give assurances to the public, the affected plants will be destroyed and entire system is cleaned. Niue Fresh is in the process of setting up cameras around the farm to reduce the risk of this incident happening again. Tōrungo furu e mawhitu e waka ne ko hohoko atu ki moana, mai toko ono alo tōru ke he tau posi, toko whitu ni ne e tau toa he maanga ne ko hohoko atu ki he ululu. Pea mai takitaki fōu he matakau takitaki maanga hawa sele ko Speedo he tutu, ma whala e tau whekau ke awha yumu ki moana pia foki me ululu. Ko whakau e ni ha ko tūmau e mahani kau whakalataha he matakau takitaki maanga pia foki mo he maanga hawa sele. Ke mga hoa whiawhi ko whakatoatoa e tau whakawhiawhia hi ika mo fusi ika he maanga ke he matawhanga I Oneonea Pata ke he taha tuwha pale pale. Ko ia ni ko koutu ke he tauwhawhuta waka ko Poio Kesene, mai hana ika walu po ke dogtooth tuna hongfulmalima e kilo. Ke whawhuta he tau posi mo e tau tingiki ko Tupotua Pelila, mai hana a Bala ko e hongfulmatolu e kilo. Ko ia whine ko Chrysalia Laufoli ne ko koutu ke he whawhuta he tau tangata ni ko hi ke he ululu. Ko manaki e maanga ke he tau whawhiawhia, ao whakatata ke he oki whahatapu ne ko hanga awa tu ki ai, mo e matapatu manatu, mga whaua kua taha. Over the weekend, Namasele Oneonea Pata held the village's annual Marine Day. 37 fishermen participated in this year's canoe category, 6 on boats or dinghies, and only 7 village people were brave enough to do some reef fishing. According to the newly elected village council chairperson, Speedo Hetutu, the day was filled with heaps of people out at sea and clear skies, complete with the support from the whole of Asele community. The day was completed with a prize giving at the beautiful beach of Oneonea Pata. The heaviest and catch of the day on the waka went to fisherman Poio Kesene with a 15-kilo dogtooth tuna. Tupotua Pelila caught a 13-kilo wahoo on his dinghy, taking out first place in the boats and dinghy category. The reef fishing prize went to Miss Chrysalia Laufoli. Avasele is now preparing for their annual village show day this coming Saturday with the theme Family is One. And that is all of our news bulletin for tonight. Of course, mene hata tolu atau wala tau tutupu ke lata ia mo puli po nei. Kena no whāme ki a munui ne po.